Hello, welcome to another video from Larry's Truck Shop and MegaMobil. MegaMobil camper vans from Slovenia. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the MegaMobil Classic 600. So a 6-meter van for up to 3 people, sleeping space. Here in this case, we have the Opel Movano, which is the same van like the Citroen Jumper, Peugeot Boxer and Fiat Ducato. So 6-meter van. Here we have it with the 165 horsepower engine, 121 kilowatts, which we mostly have, or the 140 in this case, the 165. Here we have it this time with a very light interior. So for people who like it that way and don't really like the dark wood, they will probably love that with the magnolia front doors. And like on all MegaMobil, really, you have this space here where you can have access from both sides, inside and outside the van, with the small table here, and another space like for oil and vinegar bottles.
I thought that was for sandals.
Or for this, of course. You can put in what you like. But I really found that those oil bottles, those square oil bottles, they fit very good in because it's near the kitchen.
Ah,
So,
right.
yeah. More space here and more space here.
Oh, it's a big one.
Yeah, and there's another one back there. So this comes to the third sleeping space. So you take the table down, put that here, turn the chairs, and then you have the third bed. And behind here you have the shout in this case, not the sea marine which I showed in previous videos. So that's the basic one which comes with the MegaMobil standard. You have all the information needed, not on a nice LED panel, but
it's clear how much
it's
electricity
clear.
and water's
So
in it. Yeah.
Who doesn't really have to have that fancy thing? This is absolutely all you need, really. We have the Truma here. We have again the high quality hinges, which I've showed before. Some space up here to put things, and here with the extra
Shelf moves.
shelf, which you can take out if not needed, to put higher things in here. We have the 2-burner stove with the piezo burner.
Yeah. Ignition. Yeah, and notice how these are now further and further spaced apart. They used to be quite close, but with newer ones, it makes more sense.
Makes more sense, yeah. And with the soft closing doors here, another one down here, and really much space. And this is the one where you can grab through from the outside. Yeah. So if you want to have breakfast outside, have the marmalade and whatever in here, you don't need to go inside. You just grab through there. Like on all MegaMobils, except the city lines, the MegaMobil patented bathroom with the plexiglass door, which closes this way. And if you close this, then you really have the nice shower place here. And then this is behind, and then you have the bathroom with the toilet. Everything still dry even after a shower. and this is a magnetic door, so it really, some people think it's locked. Yeah, at the fair they say, oh, it doesn't open. No, it's just the magnetic door here, which really closes and holds.
Yeah, one needs a bit of force to open that one. Yes, yeah. I agree.
And then we have the two bed.
Why don't I come round? We can have a quick look at the fridge,
yeah,
though.
The fridge, yeah. We have the Thetford fridge here, with the freezer up here. Really not a big
enormous drawer.
Yeah, drawer here, and for more comfortable,
a step up with
storage. With the storage here, so you can go on here to the bed.
Right, so why don't I come round? Oh, I've got more light. Yeah. Right. Oh, sorry. That's better. Yeah.
So now we have the sleeping space for two. How do you call it? Side sleeping? Not
widthwise, I call it.
Widthwise, yeah. Okay. Sleeping here, 145, 191. With that nice LED lighting, you have USB sockets here. You have another 220 volt here, and another 220 volt here, 12 volt, and for satellite. So if you would want a TV, you could put that here, yeah, and have the video or satellite access point there, and very large room here.
Not the
Things
space.
Also again with the bloom hinges, like on every MegaMobil. This is really the best you can get from German company, making those, used mostly in kitchens. So people who know about this, if they hear bloom hinges, they know exactly what we're talking about. What it is.
Yeah. Yeah. And here the mattress will of course move to one side, yeah, if necessary,
so
and
this can be put up here.
Yeah.
So, and then this moves up like this, and those boards you could take out if needed, one or both, to have a big garage for bicycles or whatever. Yeah. And if not needed, you could put a one just to have your things here so that they do not slide forward. We have another light here, and some more space over there. And here you will have the
gas cabinet,
gas bottles, and as I mentioned in an earlier video, this is really a big space here in those for those two bottles, and you can order underneath LPG tank, 20 liters, and this would give you this room for other things. So this is what I recommend to order. And you do not have the running around with the bottles, with the adapters, which is not the same in every European country. So people who are campers and have been to France or to the UK or Spain, they probably know what I mean. So there you just go then to a LPG filling station and just connect the filler at the gas station to your vehicle and fill up your tank underneath, and yeah, you're ready to go. And like on all MegaMobiles, of course, the 25 insulation from Kyflex, and you can hear it when I close the door. This is very good insulated and very nicely made interior. Like I showed on this vehicle, in the very light interior, we have 4 different floors you can choose. We have 5 different table and working surface colors, and about 15 for the furniture colors, and different colors you can have for the front doors. Yeah, many thanks for looking at the video, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.